Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the parts of plant, and for that I have taken a rooted marigold plant, and I hope all of you can see the plant clearly. Now at the very first, a plant has an apical end and a basal end, and we can divide the plant body into two parts. The first one, the shoot system, that means the portion of the plant that remain on the surface of the soil. So this portion is the shoot system, and the rest of the part is the root system. It's remain under the soil. So if we want to see the feature of the shoot and root, then for shoot we can say that the shoot is positively phototropic. That means at the direction of the sunlight it's grow, and negatively geotropic means against the gravitational force it's actually grown up. So this is the shoot system, and the root system it's positively geotropic. That means at the gravitational force it's grow, and negatively phototropic means against the sunlight it's actually grow. So it's the root system, and the whole part is the shoot system. Okay, in many cases shoot involved in the photosynthesis. Okay, now if we see the shoot system, then you can see that in that case this plant has many branches, this one, this one, this one, and that all. And see here, in each case there is some joints from which the branches actually emerge. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. And each joint, but each region from which the branches are emerging, it's known as the node. So this is node, and here also a node. And the distance or the middle portion between these two nodes, it actually the internode. Okay, now see, this is the flower bud, and from each node a protrusion comes out which known as bud. It can grow into a branch or into a flower or into a leaf. So according to their development we actually giving the name. Okay, if it's become flower, then it's known as the flower bud, or it's become the leaf, then it's known as the leaf bud. Okay, now see the position of the bud. If the bud is present at the apex or the apical or terminal part of the plant, then it's known as the apical or terminal bud. Whereas if the buds are present at the lateral side of the plant, that means at the side of the plant, then it's known as the lateral bud. So in case of shoot system, we get the node, internode, branch, flower bud or other bud, lateral bud and apical bud. Okay, now come to the root system. Now in case of marigold, it's a tap root system. That means in that case, see here, it's a main root. Okay, now it's known as primary root. This is the primary root, and from this primary root many lateral branches comes out, and these are known as secondary root. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So all of these are the secondary root. So secondary root comes out from the primary root. And from where this primary root come? From the radicle. During germination, we know that there are two parts, plumule and radicle. From this radicle, this main root comes out, okay, or primary root comes out. Now another term, tertiary root. When from this secondary root these tiny structures comes out, it's known as the secondary root. So here now you can see that this is the secondary root, and see this secondary root divided into two parts. Okay, so each part is known as the tertiary root. And when these tertiary root again divided into small parts, these are known as rootlets. And at the end here, it's the root tip which is protected by the root cap. That means this portion is actually the growing portion of the root, and by the division of the cells of that region, the root grows under the soil. Okay, so this is all about the root system. And another important thing is that this root system contains the root hairs. Okay, so root hairs actually help to absorb the water along with the minerals. Okay, so this is all about the parts of a plant.